How many of you wake up feeling like you've just rolled out of a time machine, looking in the mirror and wishing you could hit a refresh button on your skin and energy levels? I totally get it. Imagine this. What if I told you that the secret to looking vibrant and youthful isn't stashed away in some pricey cream or an overly complicated skincare routine, but is actually sitting right there in your kitchen? Sounds wild, right? Today, we're rediving deep into the ultimate anti-aging breakfast that you should absolutely be enjoying every single morning. And trust me, this isn't just about looking fabulous. It's about feeling incredible from the inside out. We're talking sustained energy that lasts all day, a clearer mind, and skin that positively glows. So grab a notepad because you're going to want to jot down every delicious detail. Let's kick things off with a big question. Why is breakfast so important? We've all heard it's the most important meal of the day, but when it comes to aging, it's absolutely critical. Think of your body like a car. After a long night of fasting, which is essentially what sleep is, your fuel tank is on empty. What you choose for that first fill-up determines your performance for the entire day. If you're starting off with a sugary cereal or a plain pastry, that's like putting low-grade fuel in a high-performance engine. Sure, you might get a quick burst of speed from that sugar rush, but you'll crash and burn just as fast, leading to inflammation, energy slumps, and over time, accelerated aging. Now, let's talk about what a proper nutrient-dense breakfast can do for you. It provides the premium fuel your body and brain need to function optimally. It stabilizes your blood sugar, fires up your metabolism, and gives your cells the essential building blocks they need to repair and regenerate. This process is key to combating the signs of aging. So, what are these magical building blocks? It all boils down to a powerful combination of macronutrients and micronutrients. For our anti-aging breakfast, we're focusing on 4 key pillars: high-quality protein, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and a powerhouse of antioxidants. Let's break down why each one is a must-have for turning back the clock. First up, protein. This isn't just any protein. We're talking about high-quality sources that are fundamental for maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. It's also the foundation of collagen and elastin, 2 components that keep our skin firm and plump. Starting your day with a solid dose of protein keeps you full and satisfied, which helps prevent those mid-morning cravings for sugary snacks that can wreak havoc on your skin. You know that feeling when you're hungry and you just grab whatever's in sight? Yeah, we want to avoid that. Next on our list are healthy fats. Seriously, don't shy away from fats. The right kinds are your skin's best friend. We're talking about omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for building healthy cell membranes, which help your skin retain moisture and stay hydrated and supple. They also work wonders as inflammation fighters. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of aging, affecting everything from our joints to our skin. By incorporating healthy fats into your breakfast, you're actively calming that inflammation from the moment you wake up. It's like giving your body a warm hug. Then there's fiber, the unsung hero of digestive health and a beautiful complexion. Fiber, especially from whole food sources, feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is directly linked to clearer skin, a stronger immune system, and even a better mood. Plus, fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing those dramatic spikes in blood sugar and insulin that can damage collagen and lead to premature wrinkles. It ensures a slow, steady release of energy, keeping you sharp and focused all morning. And last but definitely not least, we have antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your personal bodyguards, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules generated by things like pollution, UV rays, and even just normal metabolic processes. They can attack your cells, including your skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. By loading up on antioxidant-rich foods, you neutralize these attackers before they can do any harm, keeping your cells healthy and youthful. Now that we've got the science down, let's put it all together. What does this perfect anti-aging breakfast actually look like? It's simpler and more delicious than you might think. My absolute favorite, and the one I recommend to everyone, is what I call the Radiance Bowl. The base of our Radiance Bowl is Greek yogurt, but not just any Greek yogurt. We're going for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. The full-fat version contains those healthy fats we talked about and helps you absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Plus, it's packed with protein, about 15 to 20 grams per serving, and probiotics for that happy gut. If you're dairy-free, no worries. A high-quality coconut or almond-based yogurt with added protein is a fantastic alternative. Now for our antioxidant powerhouse, berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, take your pick. Berries are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their beautiful, deep colors. Studies have shown these compounds protect the skin from sun damage and help boost collagen production. They're also high in vitamin C, another crucial antioxidant for skin health. I recommend using a generous handful of fresh or frozen berries. Frozen ones are often picked at peak ripeness, so their nutritional value is fantastic, and they're budget-friendly too. Next, we need to add more healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. This is where nuts and seeds come into play. I love adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds. Both are phenomenal sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. They absorb liquid and expand in your stomach, keeping you feeling full for hours. Then, I'll toss in a small handful of walnuts or almonds. Walnuts are one of the best plant sources of omega-3 south. While almonds are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that works with vitamin C to protect your skin from oxidative stress. To tie it all together and add an extra anti-inflammatory kick, I sprinkle on a bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazing for blood sugar regulation and is also loaded with antioxidants. A little dash goes a long way and adds a wonderful warmth to the bowl. And there you have it, the Radiance Bowl. In one simple bowl, you have your protein from the yogurt, healthy fats from the nuts and seeds, fiber from the seeds and berries, and a massive dose of antioxidants from the berries and cinnamon. It takes less than 5 minutes to whip up, and it sets you up for a day of success. Of course, variety is the spice of life, so let's chat about a couple of other fantastic options. If you're someone who prefers a warm breakfast, you can't go wrong with a loaded oatmeal, but we're upgrading it. Start with rolled oats, not those instant sugary packets. Cook them with water or an unsweetened plant-based milk. While they're cooking, stir in a scoop of unflavored collagen powder or a clean protein powder for that essential protein boost. Once cooked, top it with the same amazing ingredients: berries, nuts, seeds, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's the warm and cozy version of the Radiance Bowl. Another fantastic option, especially if you have a little more time, is an avocado and smoked salmon scramble. Eggs are a complete protein source and contain choline, which is vital for brain health. Scramble 2 or 3 eggs in a little bit of olive or coconut oil. Serve them alongside a quarter of an avocado for healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, and a few slices of wild-caught smoked salmon. The salmon provides a huge dose of anti-inflammatory omega-3 south and astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives salmon its pink color and has been shown to improve skin elasticity. The key takeaway here is to be intentional with your first meal. Every morning is an opportunity to nourish your body on a cellular level. It's about creating a ritual that serves you, that gives you the energy to chase your goals and helps you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin at any age. Eating this way isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about prioritizing your health and well-being from the moment your day begins. Give the Radiance Bowl a try for 1 week, just 1 week. I promise you'll notice a difference not just in your energy levels, but in the way your skin looks and feels. You'll be amazed at how a few simple changes can lead to such a positive transformation. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're feeling inspired to revolutionize your morning routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. I'd absolutely love to hear from you in the comments below. What is your go-to healthy breakfast? Let's share some ideas. Until next time, eat well and be well.